Anger appears to be brewing at Kuntenase, a farming community in the Bushinche district of the Ashanti region, as properties belonging to some residents are being pulled down to make way for road construction. Properties worth millions of cedis have already been destroyed by the Kofi Jobs Construction Limited, a situation residents find disturbing.
There's a woman bass into no barber yet, and fine it. Sabio means a janka, the party, bitty baby, no two run, I'm a baby, I'm an answer. The help I never say could be Huduma. There's a woman, yes, and Papa be and country. That's how we think I will get out of them. Then I wish you could. Was a fair and team. You don't go with your fair and never high. And stand up with the mammy, why yes. Body man send papa and so on. The final papa the account. They are nearly the guy. You go need the higher. Yakasa and higher neighbor, higher
The area, which was covered with many deplorable roads, is now becoming one of the fastest developing districts in Ashanti. Many of the roads have seen some level of development in the last few years.
In the background, construction is ongoing. We are so grateful to the President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo for heeding the call of Bosumtwe, because it has been so many years since appeals were made to various governments. Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo heeded our call. Work on the project began up to Abidjan Kwanta. Half of it asphalted. And we're looking forward to opportunity to get the rest done, and today our dream has become a reality.
Despite the pace at which the roads are being executed in the area, residents seem unhappy with government's approach. According to them, many of their properties have been destroyed without any compensation. They say government's decision to demolish their buildings for the construction of the road came to them only at a short notice.
Yes, container for the Omobiashe, stop for the enemy of no one can container for the Omobiashe, and one is a moving container.
Mamma, so it is a move to me at least in the moment in Patasika Via and committing the human container. What's Nam Patasika Via, Mina, Kofi Job there would name be out or any one way. Bankam Hui and KDC Assemblyman, but my Patasika Via.
But as I can't go so make a woman, she, me idea, woman, she. There's a sea of time no had a couple of moments to get a woman, she. There's one mamma binum bidia, in the mint go with Fiasa and Faman, and me idea, woman.
For some shop owners, their businesses will suffer serious losses or even collapse as a result of the situation.
We never do Grana, never made a deal. I'll let you because customer or back with free. I will check about when himself back, Basiki Stone or Robert, Basiki Stone or Robert Party, and Jade or bar, Basiki one a day. Well, by your two Basiki. But now you hear me, I own I am one of so be me Ghana there, a man limited power.
Oh, since I hire away the loan a year ago. So, let's see if you be a school, your mouth will be school. I'm not. Is a young boy, I mark a crack a crane. It's all better. I call your cover and Blabani and answer. I used to and some drinks to be free to move. You put him say, you remember 2 months, because you did when you were 6 weeks, almost will be a Friday, will be again in Yama. So, no, you never go good feel where they feel long out. Now, since you're son of a good feeding the crowd, we free feeding the movie at this one man. A better.
The assembly member for the kuntenase electoral area, Paul, also says a compensation of 10% is being given to some of the affected persons.
So if somebody is complaining about the figure, he has right to also go in for his personal burial. Or if the person have also, because somebody also said that the 10% is small. Fine, it's true, but if indeed the 10% is not enough for you, we have had such incidents. One person, he came in for the 10%. Later on, he came back and told me that, Honorable, the 10% will not be enough for me. So please, can we get another opportunity? I spoke with the highway engineer, the sector engineer, We sat down with him. Finally, we gave him 30%. And some of them also had 100%. Some of the households have those who when the amount is not all that big. They were able to secure the 100%. So that's how it is.
He urges the people to accept whatever is being given to them, considering the importance of the project.
And as for its negative or the effects, in fact, we have no option, because this kind of development, I don't remember or I don't know when that maybe we will have this opportunity. So even though it might not be good or it's sounding, bad for us to at this time moving from your house or maybe destroying your job or maybe where you eat, you earn your ends meet. But the issue is we have no option than to accept or comply with the current situation. So that's how it is.
Meanwhile, the Member of Parliament for the area, Dr. Yao Osei-Dichum, calls for calm and urges the various assembly members to work closely with the district assembly chiefs and the contractor by ensuring that the project is executed seamlessly.
We also know as we widen the road, some buildings are going to be affected, some homes are going to be affected. I'm appealing to the assembly members to interface with the DC, work with the contractor and the chiefs to ensure that the demolition will go on smoothly where we have to do demolition. We know for years there had to be some demolition. The chief led the effort together with the assemblyman, and we didn't have any challenge. So I'm expecting same of the assemblyman for Pramso, same for the assemblyman for Abrenkese, same for the assemblyman of Kuntenase and Jache, so that at the end of the day we'll have a widened road, so that posterity will not say that we had a wonderful opportunity of getting a dual carriage road through their towns. And because we were not proactive, it didn't happen.
For Orange FM's Community Lens, I'm Fatau Bayaga, Kuntenase.